Hi guys.
Hi guys, this is our Boba and Blind Box part
5.
And we got 8 boxes today.
A lot.
A lot to go through.
Okay. Mix of Lulu and Sanrio, and there's a special
Mr. Paw.
Ooh, what is Mr. Paw?
It's a panda.
Ooh,
Panda.
it's one of the bigger boxes too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Drinks from La Grey today. I got, as this would say, the wine. It's the blackberry grape drink.
And mine is the guava lemonade from last time that sis got. It's so hot today, so
Yeah.
I'm almost
Hydrate.
done.
Okay, let's start our blind box. So sis gets to choose.
What we're gonna do first?
Yeah. Which one is more?
I kind of want to.
Take them down now.
So I know we opened these before.
Yes. I'm
We
excited about these.
we got them again because
We wanted specific ones, so we're gonna try our luck again to see if we can get them.
What are we thinking?
Let's see. Which one did I want last time? I want the 鸡马汤圆 or
Sesame rice bowl.
teapot.
The teapot, yes. Remember, or the secret.
Oh yeah, the hot pot secret or the roast duck.
Yummy, yummy.
Just this one and the other one.
What did I say last time? I don't even remember. I think I said hot pot last time.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a secret.
Yeah. Okay, I'll keep that.
Keep the hot pot.
Pot. Okay, you choose this.
This one seems pretty
Heavy?
heavy.
Okay. Teapot,
Alright,
teapot.
teapot. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
See what we get. Let's see what we get. Oh my gosh, there's something in the thing. Oh, it's a pig.
Let's hold these.
The Lulu Pig. Okay. Here comes something.
Duplicates, please.
It is the roast duck. Oh my gosh, it's so
What's
cute.
this
Look at
one?
that.
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
that roast duck.
That is cute.
I think there's something else. Oh, the plate.
Oh, it has a
gosh,
plate.
there's a plate. Wow.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Put it together.
So this
Oh, is that the?
wrapping?
Yeah.
There you are. The whole duck in just one wrapping.
Not just one piece. You get the whole duck.
Yup. That's cute.
And then the plate.
Roast duck. There's the plate. It says Lou. May Lou.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Woohoo.
Look at that.
Oh, that's
Cute. Little duck. Okay, now sis gets to open the other one.
This one is lighter.
Oh, it's okay. Maybe 鸡马汤圆.
Please. I think we're gonna be pros at opening
These.
boxes.
Like,
Oh, it's roundish.
oh no.
Might be.
The other one.
Could be. Wait.
Oh!
This
That's
is
cute.
yes, the fatty pork.
Yes.
What is this one called?
It's
Braised pork. Oh my gosh.
That's so funny. At least there's no repeat.
Yeah, no repeat.
That's pretty good.
Oh, it's cute.
Card.
Fuzzy.
That's funny. Okay.
What's next, sis?
We did that one. Let's do this one. The sleeping Sanrio. We opened one before, and we got
That's Maru.
that's Maru. And sis wanted Pom Pom.
Always.
Yeah.
Sis wants
Pachaco.
Pachaco or Hello Kitty or Cinnamon.
Cinnamon roll. My melody.
嗯
Yay.
Okay. Hang It On is pretty cute too.
嗯 Hang It On is pretty cute.
嗯
Hang It On if you get hit on, you're gonna keep it. Alright, let's go. Let's see.
Pachaka.
What we got? Oh, it's so small.
Oh, My Melody? Wait, no. Wait, what's this pink one?
Piano.
Oh. First cinema roll?
It is the piano.
Oh.
Piano.
Yes.
My sweet piano.
Oh. Cute.
That's so funny.
Oh, it's so
I have
cute.
never
Tiny.
seen My Sweet Piano. There you go. Sleeping and then the friend. I don't know where to put it. So
Right, there's no space.
there you go. Alright. What else?
I'm gonna. What's the ramen?
Cinnamon roll.
Oh, okay. I kind of want to open the ramen.
Go ahead.
That's cute.
Almond cinnamon roll.
And let's see, they have.
I have not looked at them.
Right. You can see first, and then we'll take a look. Oh, they have a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, which one?
I want the one with the fork.
Okay, yeah, fork is cute. They're all pretty similar to me.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's just cinnamon roll with the bowl of
Yes.
ramen.
Yep. Okay, cool. It says want the fork. Kind of like the secret.
Okay.
It's cute. Kind of don't want to open it.
I know,
Keep the
right?
packaging.
But you can still keep the packaging.
Oh, it's half open. Ready? Oh, wait. This one has a fork. Like
Already
the
have a
outside.
fork? Oh.
So is it the one you want this?
Maybe they all come with forks.
Oh.
So you can eat the ramen.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, fork here.
Let's see what we got. We got rice. I don't know what this is. What is this powder? I
It's
guess you
all
can
really
make it.
powdery. Oh, is this the? I think it's the one you want, sis.
Is it? No. I think it's the bacon.
Really? Really?
Bacon. Okay, yeah. I think it was meant for you to like make it like a ramen, but we're
shoot.
not doing that.
Wait. Okay.
Oh, it is
it's pink.
the one that I want.
Pink bowl.
It is the the sausage. What smells? Tucked in there.
And where do you put this weird egg?
I think you put it on the bottom. I think it's just like a perfume or like air freshener kind of thing, maybe on the bottom.
Oh, you did smell like it.
Yeah, I can smell it from here.
Dang.
Like that. Oh man, you put
Butter, it's powdery.
it is powder.
And then the fork.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Wow.
There you go.
Okay, the whole thing is pretty cute.
It's cute.
Okay. Nice choices. Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll.
Sis's turn.
Okay. I kind of want this one.
Do it.
Mr.
Damn it.
Paul. The no work today. Which is true. There's no work today. And then
What are the
here are the
choices?
choices. And I want the luggage.
I feel like it is cute.
Little travel.
Drink until no. Oh, this one. Spin watch shows on it.
With the mask on.
That's cute.
Took a feast. Looks cute.
Exercise a bit. I need that. They're all really cute.
They are. Let's see what we get. It's our first Mr. Paw blind box. Oh. It's an orange. Wow. Really big. Okay. It's hefty. Oh my god.
Is it the
That's
drink?
the drink thing. The drink. put the beer and then the snot. Oh my gosh.
That's funny.
Look at that. Look at that.
Cute.
No
Cute,
work
cute.
and you drink.
Yeah. Oh, it's really hefty.
It is really hefty. It's kind of funny.
It is cute.
So funny.
Okay.
Alright. This is turn
The
now.
next one. I'll open this one. This was I requested from sis. I didn't know it would be this tiny. So it's Lulu.
But we get 2 of them.
Oh, there's 2?
I think so.
Oh. Okay. Wait,
This
I can
one,
show you the
the
back.
The back is a little, because the seller decided to put some stickers on the back.
Can't really see it.
Yeah,
But
they can tell you what you want, I guess.
oh, so there's like Coke, Sprite, or 7-Up. There's your
Yakult.
Colt. I can't tell that
Ketchup?
one. Ketchup.
Crepe.
Crepe. Cheese. Cheesecake. Can't see.
Oh yeah, hard to see.
Okay, cupcake. Yes. Okay, cake and there's a shrimp sushi. Okay, which one are you feeling, sis?
Yakult.
Cold. Yes. I like Sprite. Or the Coke is cute too. Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
let's see what we get. It's a very interesting one.
Wait, how do you get 2 though?
I think it's 2. It's like a very small. Yeah, it says 2 per container.
Okay, so we get 2 chances.
So you get stuff. Yeah.
Interesting, but like how they, so you get 2, but it's like in one box.
Yeah. These are really tiny.
Okay, so first one is just a chain.
It's just a chain. Oh, it's for you to put it on your.
Oh.
Okay. That's so tiny
So
though.
what's this one?
It's the Yakult.
So cute. Oh, okay, and then the other one.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
I don't know. I think I kind of saw what it is. It's not what I wanted.
No, you want? What is
Yeah.
it?
It's a shrimp.
It's a shrimp.
Shrimp, so shy.
So shiny. Oh my god.
It's really cute though.
It's cute.
I should open it.
It's like a vending machine.
It is. Okay. Wow, I didn't expect it to be
To be
this
like that.
tiny. It's cute in its way.
Yeah.
Way.
It's
Oh
like
my
a
gosh.
different type of.
Oh my gosh. So tiny. Oh, they're so tiny.
It's like, what is this?
Miniature.
So tiny.
Oh my
Very
gosh,
small.
so cute.
Yeah, that's super cute.
Okay,
But what do you need the chain for?
wait, where do you put the? Is there a hole in yours?
No.
Okay.
I don't know how you put the. Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Maybe you're not supposed to open.
Oh.
You just put it like that. You just like. Okay. Whatever. It's okay.
But that's kind of weird.
Like if you put, it's like a vending machine, kind
Right.
of,
Oh.
and then you put the chain through it. That's my theory, but I don't know if that's true.
Okay.
That's funny.
Open
Vending
24
machine.
hours.
Yes.
Okay. I kind of like it out. Kind of see it more.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
I know. So tiny.
Okay.
So tiny little box.
This one is a beach party. Woohoo! Perfect for summer. And here are the choices in the back. All really cute. Oh.
Watermelon. Shaved ice. Shaved ice is the one I want.
Oh, shaved ice. I want
Watermelon.
pineapple is cute. I will get pineapple or the hula. Okay.
Hula.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, nothing happened. We didn't see anything. It feels like a mountain.
Oh, shoot.
Which
Is
one?
that one?
Oh, what if it?
Mountain.
What if it's surf? Ready, guys? 1, 2. castle.
Oh my gosh. He's buried in the castle. That's funny. I did not expect it to be like that though.
Right. That's cute.
And then lastly we have the Sanrio characters in their shops. It's kind of like a soda shop. Well, not necessarily a soda shop, but they're in a soda can. Alright.
Oh, they have different themes for each character.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have Cinnamoroll Coffee Shop, Pachaco Ice Cream Shop, Bakery, Hello Kitty Creperie, Kuromi Candy Store,
and My Melody Drink Shop. Okay.
Oh, you can also stack them. If you buy multiple.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one seems cool.
It's really
okay,
big.
that was a bad.
It's a box.
This is
a box.
Okay, gotta use some
Bars.
first. Okay. Oh, it comes in two.
Oh.
Okay.
Hefty.
Oh.
Pachaco. Hello Kitty.
No.
It's Kuromi.
Kuromi.
What the? No hate, but
No hate, but Kuromi it is.
it's Kuromi. Okay.
Let's assemble.
Oh.
Alright. Finally got it assembled. Kuromi in her little shop.
Candy shop.
Her candy shop in a little can.
It's pretty.
You can turn it on, turn on the lights.
Ooh.
There you go.
Wow.
Oh god.
It's pretty heavy too. It's really cool. Nice.
Concludes our blind box number 5.
Yep. Until
Next
next time. Are there more coming?
There's more coming. There is.
Oh man.
Alright.
So many, but it's pretty fun.
That's fun.
All right.
Alright.
See you guys in the next one. Bye.